You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, a name from Greek originally. If you want to learn more confusing names from a court of mist and roses, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We've got more coming up for you at the end of the video. Stay tuned. In Greek, the pronunciation is as Clotho. Clotho. So in English, similarly, the pronunciation is as Clotho. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.